Hey, 30-minute marketers. In today's quick video, we're going to be answering a subscriber question in regards to how to promote Clickbank products without a website with free traffic and using Facebook Messenger. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker, and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. To do that, check out the link in the description and the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And like I said, today's focus is answering a subscriber question. Bluebird asked, or he states, awesome video. Then he asks, I'd love to see how the traffic side works. How are they collected from Facebook and put on a messenger list? Now, I'm going to leave a card up here in the right-hand corner to this video if you haven't seen it yet. Be sure to check that video out first and then come back and see the answer to this question. So, to answer this question, let's first all get back on the same page and look at the funnel that we were using, that we were referencing for this Clickbank product. So a simple funnel in this case was getting traffic from Facebook or YouTube to your website. In this case, the free Groove Pages funnel builder that we're using. Of course, link in the description to get your free account to that funnel builder so you can start building your own free funnels. This is going to be your website. Of course, that's going to be hosted over on Funnels and Groove Pages. But the key here is instead of having your audience go to your email autoresponder, they are sent and added to your Facebook Messenger list and then redirected onto your affiliate product to earn that commission. What we need to do is pick a Facebook Messenger software platform, and in this case, we're going to use one called ManyChat. Here's a look inside my ManyChat account. Now, setting up ManyChat and all the features inside of ManyChat are way outside the scope of this video. I'm just going to show you the basic concept of getting traffic from Facebook, free traffic from Facebook, to your landing page that you're going to be setting up in your free funnel builder from Groove Pages, and then putting those people on a messenger bot or a messenger audience list using the ManyChat link that you see right here, which is the bot link. Now, if you would like more information and some free training on all this and some checklists to set this up as well, there'll be a link in the description to go over to what I'll call the ChatBot Cookbook. And now this is free training. This is something you'll have to register for, provide your email address, and then you'll get access in here to Messenger Marketing Checklist, the Chatbot Revolution, Facebook Chatbot Secrets, Messenger Marketing and Chatbot Mastery, and also some recommended training that's also in the link in the description. That's going to get you where you want to be if you want to use Facebook chatbots and Facebook Messenger to do this, again, in a funnel where you send traffic from Facebook and YouTube and get that free traffic over to your website, again, that you're building on your free funnel from Groove Pages and then putting them on your Facebook Messenger. So again, back to ManyChat. Of course, you'll set up your ManyChat account, you'll sync it up with Facebook, and then what you'll do is you'll get a link here, which is your bot link, and you'll simply just copy that link. Then you'll go back to Groove Funnels, and once you're inside of Groove Funnels, what you'll do is you'll select Groove Pages. That'll take you in your site or your funnel builder, and as you can see, I have one here in my free account left because I've used two and I get 3 total. So we'll go ahead and use this same site we're using in the other video that I referenced in the card. Also, that video is in the description, so you can check that out. We'll go ahead and we'll edit this. And here was that page with our headline, our subheadline, our video that we were using from the affiliate promotion materials from the vendor, and then of course our button, which leads to a pop-up that gives us our email sign-up. And of course this is published and hosted on groovepages.com, as you can see right here. And of course we can just simply open this in a new tab so we can see what that looks like. Get back on the same page so we know exactly what our free landing page, our free funnel page is going to look like. And of course here's that button with the pop-up for our email address. We're going to change that button out, and we're going to link that button up to our ManyChat, which will then allow a person to come here, click on our call to action, and then be added to our Facebook Messenger. So we can follow up with them as seen in the funnel. So we'll go back to Groove Pages. We'll go ahead and we'll click on this button and we'll edit this button. You can see right here, we're going to configure that. We're going to take this from pop-up to a URL. And we're going to go back to our dashboard again and make sure that we have this copied into the buffer. Copy that link address. Going to go back to Groove Funnels inside our Groove Pages. We're simply going to add that right there and update it. Then we're going to hit save. Now that content's been saved, we're going to go back to our page that's hosted on Groove Pages. We're going to refresh that so it gets the new information. And of course, your call to action is going to need be a little better than button. So it's going to have to be, and compliant with ManyChat and compliant with Facebook, alerting people to the fact that you're clicking this button. It's going to redirect them to Facebook, and they're going to be added to a chatbot list, messenger list. Make sure you follow and comply with all of Facebook's regulations. So that's all part of learning and understanding. Of course, that's part of the free training that I provided over at ChatBot Cookbook. So go ahead and check out that link in the description. So now we're just going to click this button, and you can actually see down in the left-hand corner, you can see the HTTPS m.me 30-minute marketing. So we're just going to click that button. That's going to redirect your contact to Messenger, and they're going to continue here. You can see here it say instantly connect with people in your life. Sign in with Facebook to get started. Continue with Gary Lane Baker. Of course, that's my account. If they need to, they can switch account here if they're using somebody else's computer and they need to log in. But you're simply going to click that button, or your free traffic from Facebook is going to click that button, and then they're going to be added to your Facebook Messenger chatbot list or your Facebook Messenger audience. And as you can see right there, this message, of course, is not the message that you would be sending if you were in the keto niche, but you can see right here, it says, welcome, Gary. Thank you for subscribing. To download your free bonus checklist, which is the bot that I have set up and attached to this automation. Of course, yours will be different. Yours will be a PDF. Yours will be a link. Again, abiding by the rules that you have to follow with ManyChat and Facebook to be in compliance, and of course, to be into compliance with every other regulation that is out there. So just make sure that you understand and know exactly what you're doing when you're building an audience. And then, of course, once they go through this and they get this message right here, they'll get the message from your Facebook page and the one you've connected to your dashboard inside of ManyChat. Then, of course, that will be added into your audience. And then here you'll be able to see your audience when they subscribed, subscriber status, their name, their avatar, all that good information. Of course, I've blurred out the avatars and name for the sake of the fact that that's private information between me and my audience. But you can see that you have number of subscribers and all that good kind of stuff, and you can do everything you need to do here. And of course, again, outside of the scope, live chat, growth tools, broadcasting, automation. But again, there's a link in the description for some free training I put together to include some messenger marketing checklists, chatbot revolution, FB chatbot secrets, messenger marketing chatbot mastery, and some recommended training so you can move forward with this type of funnel right here where you send traffic from Facebook to YouTube to your website. Of course, again, this is going to be hosted for free over at Groove Pages when you sign up for your free account, and then sending the traffic, the people that land on your website, your squeeze page from your Facebook or your YouTube. When they land here, they're going to click, they're going to be added to your Facebook Messenger list inside of your audience over in ManyChat, and that's exactly how you're going to use your free Groove Pages account, ManyChat, and Messenger to promote affiliate products from Clickbank using free traffic. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, more awesome content just like the videos right here. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.